Batch node multiplies your creativity by letting you batch process everything inside FLORA. It lets you collect multiple text, image, or video modalities into a single node, connect them all at once, and run them all at the same time. That means hundreds of product shots in different backgrounds, one model in endless outfits, or a single style propagated across every output. Here are 3 use cases. Create a whole series of virtual try-on shots using the same face. Marquee select all of your images and drag out from the handle on the right side. This will let you bulk connect all the assets to a batch node. Connect an image node after the batch node and link the face and system prompt to it. Select the image model and aspect ratio and run the whole batch at once. All of the variations will appear inside the output node. Spin up several product mockups, each in a unique background. Marquee select all of your images and transfer them to a batch node. Connect an image node as the output and link the original product image and the system prompt. Select the image model and aspect ratio and run the whole batch at once. Propagate the style of a reference image across every output. Collect all the face images into a batch node and connect that to an image node. Link the reference image and the system prompt and run the whole batch at once. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more tutorials.